Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a classic shrimp fettuccine alfredo, so let's get started with the video. Begin by placing your shrimp in a bowl. By the way, I've already peeled, deveined, and cleaned the shrimp. Next, coat the shrimp in a bit of olive oil. When you're finished, season the shrimp with your preferred seasonings. The seasonings I'm using are pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay, and paprika. When you're finished seasoning your shrimp, set them to the side. Next, in a pot filled with water, add salt. Bring the water to a boil and then add your fettuccine noodles. Boil the noodles for however long it says to on the package. While the noodles are cooking, we're going to move on and make the Alfredo sauce. In a pan over medium heat, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, place the shrimp in the pan and cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once the shrimp have finished cooking, take them out of the pan and set them to the side. Next, add 3 tablespoons of butter in the pan. Once the butter is melted, add a half a cup of diced onions. Sauté the onions for about 3 to 4 minutes or until translucent. When you're finished, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and then sauté the garlic and onions for about a minute. Next, add a half a cup of chicken broth and 2 cups of heavy cream. Mix everything together until well combined and then bring your sauce to a simmer. Continue to cook the sauce until it starts to become thick. Once the sauce starts to become thick, mix in 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese. Then add a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. Then mix everything together until well combined. Once you have finished making the Alfredo sauce, you can now add your fettuccine noodles. Mix the noodles in with the sauce until they are completely coated. When you have finished making your fettuccine Alfredo, all that's left to do is plate it up and enjoy. By the way, you can either mix the shrimp into your pasta or you can add it on top like I did. It's really up to you. I also added some parsley and Parmesan cheese on top. And this is the finished result. The shrimp fettuccine alfredo was creamy, delicious, and easy to make. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.